Welcome back. I'll be showing how to make coriander seed oil. You can use this oil for your skin, for your hair, and also use it to massage or add flavor to your food. So stay tuned. So to make this coriander seed oil, you will need coriander seed. Coriander seed is a wonderful spice that contains some important nutrients, vitamins like vitamin A, C, beta carotene, and some other important nutrients. So I'll be making use of 3 tablespoons of coriander seed. So I'm going to add it into a bowl. Crushing the coriander seed, you can decide to blend it, but I'm going to use a mortar to crush the coriander seed. So the reason why I'm crushing this is because I want the coriander seed to infuse properly into the oil. So when I'm done crushing, I'll be adding the crushed coriander seed into a clean, dried jar. So you need to add oil. You can choose to use almond oil, grapeseed oil that will not clog your pores. So I'm going to add enough oil to cover the crushed coriander seed. I'm done adding, I'm going to stir to mix properly. Then cover the jar and leave it infuse for about 1 week or more. So after about 1 week, you can notice that the coriander has infused into the oil. So the next step, I'll be doing double boiler method. You can decide to skip this method and use your oil. But I like to do this so that I will extract all the nutrients from the coriander seed into the oil. I'm going to place the bowl into a pot of boiling water. This method will help the coriander seed to extract all the nutrients into the oil. So after about 15 minutes, I'm going to remove it and leave it to cool before I will strain to get the oil. With a cheesecloth, I'm going to sieve to get the oil so that I will not have the little particles from the coriander seed. This coriander seed oil smells so lovely. It has a warm, spicy with a hint of citric smell. So when I'm done sieving, I will store this in a airtight container. You can use this coriander seed oil for your skin. It has skin brightening vitamin C. You can use it to massage to relieve muscle pain. You can also use it for your hair. It will help to promote hair growth. Coriander seed oil is also a powerful deodorant. It can be used to reduce odor, or you can also use it for cooking. Hope that this video is helpful. Thank you all for watching.